my stick up pretty cool bitch. Cash fraud, not all legit. Why? Go she kicks. Jeffrey nice sport when I close him. 2 minutes. Here outside, it's some crew with me.
You know what I'm gonna play? Reggae, Jamaica. Dancehall music, yeah.
No, not
Alright, so welcome aboard to the White River Rafting. Again, my name is Captain Ronaldo. I'm gonna be a captain to all the tours. If you feel interested about the river, okay?
Okay.
And as he goes along, we stop if you want to take some pictures. I can be a paparazzi.
Got you.
Also,
It turn on?
yeah, man. Is that play?
Yeah, my shit playing.
Up in and done!
Oh, Jesus Christ. Please stop the capping. Please stop the capping. More loss in a yard of foreign. So she chose to kiss me, stick up pretty cool bitch. Cash fraud, not all legit. Bye. Kicks, Jeffrey nice sport when I close him. 2 minutes. Here outside, it's some crew with me. Molly boy swing with a pan of polar, with a pan of chop the food and stocky cheese. Can't show you how to make $1 million, just watch it pray. Keys the pan the sea and a simple strategy. At the sea coastline, drop it off of Miami. Cut it up, sell it to the fiends. Run off with me cheese, you will get a jelly league. Jella Philippines, if you put it in a sheet. A cocoa we a reap, pussy and no cocoa tea. Dog sing is our diesel. No, with the raw sheet. Total in the street, me in the broad beast. It's me and I'm on the road, bitch. Get it low to me. Check my chain, check my jewelry. Say she chose to kiss me, stick up pretty cool bitch. Cash fraud, not all legit. Bye. Go she kicks. Jeffrey nice sport when I close him. 2 minutes. Here outside, it's some crew with me. Molly boy swing with a pan of polar. Making money, spinning one buy yacht with big complex. Bad mind enough, some of buy big gun, yeah. So beat up and make a fire from the
It's a go me. Huh?
So you make people a more now.
Change my tail from the black. Getting close to door, came back on the spot. Some good sound like that.
I cannot.
Man up, man boy, you know. Open at the club we go, girl in the yachty panto. Say for me the one wine up slow, she don't hear me vibe boyfriend go.
If you're bushy, me a travel with a comb. See me a wet.
Drop it there, yeah.
Pretty little pretty where you own.
Hey!
Dance a party. Nothing, man.
Some of the brave. Yeah, but fuck a girl pan enemy grave, yo. Richer, bitch. I coach by me garments. Richer, me richer.
Them people you not show love when me live. So tell the clients any food now. Tell them stuff for white.
Hiking.
Best walk. You hear that before?
It's not that bad.
Every time, bro.
The dog got a tour guide.
Yeah, I noticed the dog has been with us the whole time.
So about an hour before we come back, we have to stop the small team.
Is that mean you can't run it?
Mother nature, man. Without a look. Not bad.
Yeah, we're not kidding around. What is your atmosphere definition?
You're right here. See there, reach. Got see us. See there, see us, see everybody. We have to do it. I kill you. No, see right down there, sir. We gotta climb this coming back up, bro.
It's not bad. Exactly. My gym day. You're walking down 1 foot at a time. You're not alternating. Yeah, in front of you.
A problem. Oh, tell them that. Tell them that. They make them know that I don't need none of fall with it go.
Pretty. Nice. Wow.
So what do you send from people don't know what they are, man. And they come test it out. They don't know what certain people for
Pretty. Nice. Wow. Kind of reminds me of the springs in Florida, but it's nowhere near as pretty. And there's no alligators. And there's no tour guides. Like this guy is my fake tour guide. Wow. Not pretty? I almost fell. What'd you say?
I'm gonna show you where the swing signs are. On Sundays, it is very busy. People from all around Jamaica travel and come here.
Don't tell them we're up here.
They found the swing.
Okay, I will. I'm gonna stop because I'm gonna fall, so let me stop me this whole time.
No. Some massive.
Both of you. Him too. They've been laughing at me.
You go ahead.
Because I'm not used to this and you think it's funny.
No. Not used to it.
All this climbing and walking. We don't get this stuff in America. In Florida we have springs, but it's not like this. It's kind of. It's not as clear, and there's alligators everywhere. It's beautiful though.